Hey, hi, hello, namaste. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Long haul flights are the flights that are more than 7 hours in duration. And today's video will give you all the tips you need to survive that long haul flights easy and comfortable. So watch the video till the end and make your long haul flights worth surviving. The first tip is to choose your food properly. Avoid sulfur rich foods such as eggs and red meat. Also, avoid foods that will be harder to digest. Choose carbohydrate rich foods such as oatmeal, bread. The tip number 2 is to avoid coffee or alcohol. I know people tend to have coffee very often, but coffee and alcohol are very dehydrating. Also, being diuretic, you will have to go to the washroom more than often. So, my suggestion will be to avoid such things. The third tip is to stay hydrated. Make sure to drink enough water to avoid headaches. And it is advised that you carry your own water bottle. And with this, here comes the pro tip 1. That is, you must not carry straw water bottles with you on flight because the air pressure which will develop in the high altitude will push the water in the air and will cause embarrassment for you. Tip number 4 is something that I did not mention. That is to carry your own entertainment package, be it your cell phone, laptop, or iPad. You must carry the package of entertainment with yourself. If you are a reader, then make sure to carry a book with you so that you can pass your time in the flight with ease. The next survival tip is to wear comfortable clothes. Make sure to choose the best fit and comfortable clothes for you, as you will be sitting in one particular seat for a longer duration of time. So you don't want anything that would be restrictive to your movements. Also, I would suggest to wear layers so that you can put them on and off as and when required. The sixth one, two, three, four, five, six. Yeah. So the sixth tip is to carry a blanket or a neck pillow with you. A blanket that is actually a travel blanket can be useful when you feel cold because not all airlines provide us with blankets and pillows. And here comes the pro tip 2. That is, if you're carrying inflatable pillow, then make sure to inflate it only and only when you are in air, because if you inflate it beforehand while boarding, then the air pressure that will build up in the high altitude will make the inflatable pillow burst. The next tip is to bring melatonin. Melatonin helps in overcoming jet lag and to maintain your sleep pattern. You can take it before half an hour when you're going to sleep. It will make you sleep better and jet lag won't be a problem for you. The eighth tip is to bring some toiletries. In long haul flights, you will need to freshen up, and in that case, travel size toiletries will be very helpful for you. So with this, we have come to the halfway to this video. Do comment in the comment section one one important skincare product that you never forget to keep during your flights. Also, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. So, the ninth tip is to try and book a window side seat. That will help you to lean on something. If you are not traveling with someone known, that is your friend or your family, then you can't really lean on someone unknown. And here I bring the pro tip 3. That is, if you have booked a window side ale, then do keep some warm clothes with you, because generally the window side seats gets more cold than the middle ones because the air conditioning is right at the top of your head. And this brings me to the 10th tip, that is to carry warm clothes. Warm clothes such as winter socks and scarves are very useful because if the air conditioning becomes really strong, then you can wrap up the scarf around your neck and protect you from getting cold. The 11th tip is to move around in the flight. Do walk or just stretch, because if you're sitting in your seat for long duration in high altitudes, then there is a risk of deep vein thrombosis, that is clotting of blood in your legs. And here is the pro tip 4. Wear compression socks if possible, because that protects you from deep vein thrombosis. The next tip is to put on a slip-on. A slip-on is very useful because it is very comfortable. If you want to sleep, just open the slip-on easily, and if you want to go to the washroom, just put on the slip-on with very ease and comfort. And don't wear footwear which has laces, because if you wish to move or just go to the washroom, you will face great difficulty in putting it on and off regularly. The 13th tip is to carry medication. Do carry general medicines or any prescribed medicine if you have. If you have cold or you feel stuffed, do take medicine of sinus or cold before boarding the flight. This will help you to have a comfortable flight. The second last tip, that is the 14th tip, is to carry a mask with you. You don't know, the person sitting beside you may be sick and would be coughing or sneezing. And I believe you don't want to get sick due to someone else. So it's better to carry your own protection. The last, that is the 15th tip, is to board the flight first if you have luggage to place it in the overhead bin. The overhead bin or the compartment generally gets filled up very fast. So if you have to place a luggage in the overhead bin, then do board the flight first. So that was the last tip. But the pro tip number 5 is here. Do carry a handy bag or a bag of comfortable size that easily goes beneath your seat, so that you have an easy access to the essentials that you will need during the flight, such as toiletries. So with this, we come to the end of today's video. I hope you like it. Do like, comment and share to the maximum people out there, because this is not my channel, this is our channel and we are a family, and let's make this family bigger and better each passing day. And for that you just need to hit the subscribe button. So do that and share to the maximum people. Thank you.